Hi friends! In this video, we will understand about different interface options with COSEC Path Controller. Matrix COSEC Path is a range of door controllers with PoE, Power over Ethernet, connectivity, and IP65 compliance. The COSEC Path series comprises of controllers and readers. COSEC Path Controller comes in two different variants, that is DCCX and DCFX. DCCX is door controller with RFID card module, and X represents brand of card supported by the device. COSEC Path Series controller supports 4 brands of card having a respective devices. For DCCX, we have 4 separate devices: DCCE, DCCM, DCCI, and DCCP. DCCE is door controller with EM Prox RFID card module. DCCM is door controller with NFC and MyFair RFID card module. DCCI is door controller with HID I-Class RFID card module. DCCP is door controller with HID Prox card module. This door controller is supported with COSEC Server V6 R03 onwards, while DCFX is door controller with RFID card and optical fingerprint module. DCFX is also available in 4 different variants: DCFE, DCFM, DCFI, and DCFP. DCFE is door controller with optical fingerprint module and EM Prox RFID card module. DCFM is door controller with optical fingerprint module, NFC, and MyFair RFID card module. DCFI is door controller with optical fingerprint module and HID I-Class RFID card module. And DCFP is door controller with optical fingerprint module and HID Prox RFID card module. This door controller is supported with COSEC Server V6 R03 onwards. Now let's understand about COSEC Path Readers. COSEC Path Readers have 2 variants: RDCX and RDFX. RDCX includes 3 modules based on RFID card: RDCE, RDCM, and RDCI. Likewise, RDFX includes 4 modules: RDFE, RDFM, RDFI, and RDFP V6 R03 onwards. Now let's see how to install COSEC Path Controller. The installation process for all the models remains the same. Let's understand how to install COSEC Path DCFE. Before we begin, it's necessary to ascertain the contents of package are proper and not damaged or missing. Select a flat surface, preferably close to the access point. Recommended height from ground level is 5 feet for installation. First, mount the plate on installation surface and trace the screw holes on the wall through the holes on the mounting plate. Trace rectangular area of mounting plate for cabling. Remove the plate and drill marked points for screwing. Prepare a vent for concealed cabling. Mount the plate with 2 screws. Now pass the cables from interfaces like path reader, door lock, exit switch through the plate. Let's see different interface options for power supply, networking, and hardwares with COSEC Path Controller. COSEC Path Controller provides 2 terminals for different interfaces, CN1 and CN2 at the rear side. There are dedicated connections in CN1 and CN2 terminals. Using CN1, the user can connect power supply, Ethernet cable, and door lock. Using CN2, user can connect exit switch and exit reader. COSEC Path Controllers are PoE enabled. This gives an option of supplying power either by connecting the device to PoE switch using Ethernet cable or 12-volt DC power adapter. For network connectivity, use RJ45 connector available in CN1. The user can connect the door lock by connecting the 10-pin connector available in CN1 to lock terminals. door lock with 12-volt DC at 0.5 amp capacity takes power from the main controller, while for a lock with higher capacity, the user has to provide an external power supply. COSEC Path Reader can be connected to COSEC Path Controller through the 15-pin connectors available in CN2 terminal. User has to connect this connector with the corresponding connector available in COSEC Path Reader. All connections are specified with color code in the mounting plate of Reader. User can also connect exit switch with COSEC Path Controller by connecting 5-pin connector in CN2 to exit switch terminals. Using the same connector, user can connect RS-485 terminals. Likewise, user can connect different interfaces with COSEC Path DCCX. This is how different hardware interfaces can be connected with the COSEC Path Controller. Thank you for watching this video.